The following segment is sponsored by Explore Utah Valley. We are here at the Provo Airport, and if you are flying in or out of this beautiful building, you have to make sure you stop by downtown Provo and check out Taste. Paul and Grant are here to tell us more about it. Both of you, thanks for stopping by.
Yeah, you bet. Anytime.
So talk to us about Taste. First of all, you're famous for your chocolate. Let's start there.
Yeah, so we're artisan chocolate factory on one side, and then a curated marketplace and tea house on the other. So we have a cafe menu, fun experiences like tea time, fondue, chocolate tasting classes, all kinds of fun things.
Love it. And you actually brought some chocolate with you today. Tell me what you brought.
We did, yeah. So today we have our Mount Timpanogos bar. It's a dark milk chocolate bar that we put custom made or homemade honeycomb candy in. We source our honey locally from Rocky Top Farm down in Payson, and turn it into honeycomb right in our store. So we wanted to have you try that real quick.
Oh, okay, all right, here we go. Look at that honeycomb, you can see it. That's so fancy. And I know you guys have won some awards for this, yes?
Yeah, so we have about 12 different awards from the Academy of Chocolate over the years.
Okay, I have to cover my mouth because I'm a lady and I don't want people to see me chewing. But this is absolutely delicious, and I'm not just saying that. This is so yummy. And you guys actually do tea there as well. Talk to me about that.
Yeah, so we do a monthly tea menu, so every month it changes, seasonal ingredients, and just something fresh, and you can reserve that ahead of time and just enjoy 4 different desserts, 4 different sandwiches, and English-style scones.
And I have to tell you, I have been there for afternoon tea. It was something I saw you guys on Instagram, instantly became obsessed, tried afternoon tea, and the hype is real. It is so yummy. The scones are good. Actually, the waitress came out to me and I told her, I was like, can I just get a second of everything? I swear I'll pay for it, but it was so good. Talk to me about your tastings, because I know you guys do that too. Tell us more about that.
Yeah, so we offer chocolate tasting classes where we talk about artisan chocolate, what makes it artisan, how to taste chocolate to really get the full experience out of it. This bar is one of a collection of 9 bars we did in collaboration with Explore Utah Valley. And so when you come to the store, we typically try 9 different chocolates. Sometimes they're the Explore Utah Valley bars. Sometimes they're bars that we actually don't make in the store. And we just compare and contrast, and it's a really fun opportunity to really experience chocolate in a new way. And then we also offer, with that experience, a tour of the chocolate factory.
Oh, I love that. I didn't get to do the tour of the chocolate factory. That sounds like Willy Wonka.
Yeah, a little bit.
But it's not as scary, I'm guessing.
Not quite, no. I feel more like an Oompa Loompa than a Willy Wonka most of the time, but yeah, definitely a little Willy Wonka vibe.
I love it. Okay, this question may be a tough one, but what is your absolute favorite chocolate bar at Taste?
Ooh. That's a good,
I gotcha.
I mean, I brought this one because it's my favorite. I mean, this is the crowd favorite. I think Utah loves this bar just because it has, it's dark enough for people who like dark chocolate, but it's sweet enough that people who like a little bit of sugar like Utahns do, it satisfies that as well. So
I love that.
This one would definitely be my favorite.
Yeah, and mine is probably Bridal Veil Falls, so it's a hazelnut milk chocolate with pine oil. So a little bit of a unique combination.
Perfect. Okay, where can people go to learn more about Taste?
Yeah, so you can go to our website, taste117.com, or follow us on Instagram at HaveTaste.
Perfect, lovable. Both of you, thanks so much for being here. And for those of you watching, don't forget you can enter to win a $200 airline voucher that you can use here at the Provo Airport. Again, both of you, thanks so much for stopping by.
Thank you.
Thank you.